Hello there everybody, my name is Alex Flusher, and welcome back to another video of the unboxing table. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing E.T. the Extra Terrestrial 4K Ultra HD Limited Edition Steelbook. Anyway, there is the front, there is the back, focus. Now, if you excuse me, I'll be unboxing it. So just give me a second. And this is what is behind the J card. That looks pretty cool. On the inside, there is the 4K disc, and there is the Blu-ray disc behind it. Right there. Anyway, that'll do it for another video of the unboxing table, and I'll see you all next time.